Hey there, if you're a truck driver and you need to get organized, this is the perfect spreadsheet for you. This will help you to track your mileage, your hours, how much you've paid for gas, and how much you're getting paid as well. I'm going to show you how this sheet works. It's available in Google Sheets and Excel, and let's get started. So first you want to come in and put the date of your travels, and the name of your driver if it's you or someone else, and then your truck number, and the carrier you work for. And then if there's a co-driver with you, you can put their name. And then what time you're starting. So say we're going to get out at 5 a.m. and you're going to start out in Atlanta. Say you're going to end at 10 o'clock p.m. And then say you're going to end up in Houston. And then so it'll calculate how many total hours you've been in the truck. You can put in, how long you took for a break, half hour. How many hours did you have driving? So say 12 hours. How many hours were you on duty? So you were on duty for a total of 14 hours, and then you were off duty for 12 hours. You can put in your odometer start. So say we started at 1,000 and we ended at 1,750. So that'll calculate your total miles driven. The gas fill up, so we filled it up on the 8th, and then we paid $75 for gas, and then you got paid $250 for your travel. And then any notes, we can put in heavy traffic. This will also help you to calculate the total number of trips you've taken, how much you've spent on gas, how much you've earned total, and how many total miles you've driven. So that's how this sheet works. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And this is available in Google Sheets and Excel. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you have a great day.